It is me, Ibrahim, English learner. So currently I'm in a beautiful place. Really it is beautiful because it is windy weather, and I am having my time with my niece. Look, she is my niece. Her name is Ikshamoni, so I've come with her. So I'm passing my time with her and enjoying the beautiful weather in my village. Beside me has beautiful paddy field, and if you watch my videos, I think you know this paddy field. Sometimes it turns into a river. I've made a video about it. So sometimes it is a paddy field. So now currently, paddy field, no one corrupt anything in this field. Now some grass is growing in this field, you can notice, and water has some water in this paddy field. So yeah, an amazing weather I'm having. And as an English learner, I want to say that if you watch only video on YouTube for improving your speaking English, it doesn't work, I think, to speak English. I think it can help you to improve your listening. But if you want to improve your speaking, definitely you have to speak. I mean, you can make video, you can practice in different type of application like episode, 3-4 talk, where you can talk with people that can help you. But if you only watch videos on YouTube for improving your speaking, it doesn't work. For improving your speaking, you have to talk, you have to speak. So that's the reason I am making video, and I am trying to, by making video, I am trying to improve my speaking English, because I think it works. When I speak in front of mobile, it build up my confidence, it improve my speaking, and many things. I think it can help me. So that's the reason I'm making videos. So if I make any mistake, if I say any incorrect sentence, please take it easy, because I'm an English learner. I'm not a teacher. I'm not teaching you. I'm learning by making videos.